We're going to address these questions in the next 4 minutes. What's rollover and when a course area is created? How do people get onto course areas? And what's auto-enrolment? First, some background. Learn.gold is based on software called Moodle, and Moodle itself has some terminology and concepts that it's useful to be aware of. Broadly speaking, it contains activities for students to do either alone, such as taking a quiz, or in a group with other students, such as forum discussions. There are also resources such as text, video, and so on. Within learn.gold, these are held in a Moodle course, which holds the activities and resources for a specific cohort of students and teaching staff. Course is the Moodle term. We tend to refer to them as course areas in Goldsmiths. A course area could be a single taught module, a program level area, a departmental virtual office, almost anything. Course areas are grouped into categories by department and then by year. What's rollover and when a course area is created? TALIT create blank course area shells each year in summer based on the information in the student record system Unit and following discussion with departments. Usually there's a course area per module and sometimes program level pages. Staff can then selectively import materials from last year and make suitable tweaks. This bulk process happens every year. Course areas are not reused, so it's important therefore that you never delete anything from existing areas so your students can still refer back to them. How do people get onto course areas and what's auto-enrolment? You're enrolled onto a course area with a specific role, such as student or editing teacher. You need to be enrolled to participate. Moodle has a number of enrolment methods and typically you'd use a selection of these. You can view this from the participants list and then use the cog icon to view enrolment methods. Manual enrolment lets you add people one at a time, such as teaching colleagues. Self-enrolment is where students find and join your course area themselves. For auto-enrolled courses, you'd normally keep this off. If you're using auto-enrolment, students will automatically be added based on the information in Unit. The middle term for this is actually external database enrolled, and this kind of reflects what happens behind the scenes. An overnight process takes data from Unit and populates a database of module enrolments, which learn.gold then uses to add students to this year's course areas. It will also remove students that have changed modules. For auto-enrolment, your course area will have a single entry in the ID number field in the main course settings. This is very easy when you have one course area per Unit module code. If you have multiple module codes and you want to share one course area between them all, this can be done by meta-linking. A course area per module is created using auto-enrolment, and these can stay hidden. A shared course area then takes the enrolments from the hidden ones, and the students never see the hidden areas, just the shared one. So it's pretty seamless. And if that sounds like a headache, don't worry, this is normally set up for you by TALIT. Unless they change their module choices, students stay enrolled, meaning they can access materials from their previous years via the Past tab in their dashboard. There is also guest access. This allows students to view but not participate, and this is useful where students want to audit. If you decide to use this, you may like to set a password for it. So that's it. If you have any questions, as usual, tell@gold.ac.uk.